Hello, hello, hello again. Thank you for joining. Be sure we practice our daily ritual by liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell so you can be reminded of future videos. Let's get started. The last video I showed you how to print bookmarks and laminate them. Well, this video, I'm going to show you how to print on both sides using the printer settings or flipping the document over manually. So this is another bookmark, and I've already made the settings in Adobe Express the size of the bookmark that I want. But I'm going to show you when you go to print, you can make any document the size you want. So when I print this document out the first time, I lowered the percentage 50%. But keep in mind, in Adobe Express, I already shrunk it the size of the bookmark. So you will see how small the document is when I lowered the percentage twice. Now, before I print the first side, I kept the settings exactly the same. Erased the data from the first side, and I'm adding data for the second side. So right here, I have the settings the same as it was on the first side. Just erase the data, and I'm adding more data. What I'm doing right here, it's changing the background color and changing the text color. See, I have the text color corresponding with the colors that explain your mood and aura. Right here, I am inserting a thumbnail pic from my computer that I saved. Now I'm ready to print, and I'll just double check my size to make sure no goblins changed it without me knowing. And to print in the best format, you will use PDF. But for images, you will save it as PNG. So I'm printing it in PDF format because I want to upload it to my stores to make it easier for my customers to download. So this is the front side. I'm going to print first. See how I change my size? See how small it is? So I'm going to go to the printer and show you in real time how I made this document 50% smaller than I should have. So that'll be nice for children's bookmarks, little smaller books. But I'm going to change my document size back to 100%. And my bookmarks will print out the exact size I want. See? Now this is the front side. So I'm manually turning my document over to print on the back side. See what I did? Just flipped it over. Now I am trying to make the back size the same size as I did my front size. But you will see I'm a few centimeters off because I'm rushing. So to maximize space, I tripled the bookmarks on one sheet of paper. And I do that in Word by taking an image of the bookmark. So when you take an image, it copies the image, and you can hit paste and paste it wherever you want. To take an image, you push the Windows key, the Shift key, and S. And you can see here that the back side printed almost exactly as the front side. Now I'm going to laminate it and make my bookmarks. Now you can see where I printed some bookmarks in Japanese, Spanish, German. Now for this, I'm going to make door hangers. You can see on my next video how I make the door hangers. It's just as simple as punching 2 holes and putting some thread or yarn. So you can even, in my next video, I'm also going to show you how to make bookmarks with children's pre-printed paper that will get them excited to use them, like Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, horses, etc.